Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best ice cream makers under $100 available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have Cuisinart Ice Cream Maker. Now you can make your favorite frozen yogurt at home in just 20 minutes or less. The fully automatic Cuisinart frozen yogurt ice cream and sorbet maker lets you turn ingredients into a delicious and healthy frozen treat with no fuss and no mess. You can simply add your ingredients to the bowl and press on and the machine does the rest. It contains cooling liquid within a double insulated wall to create fast and even freezing. This double wall keeps the bowl cool and at an even temperature. At number 6 we have Dash Ice Cream Maker. You can customize your homemade ice cream by adding any flavors or toppings you want. The Dash My Pint Ice Cream Maker makes up to 1.6 cups of fresh ice cream. You can just freeze the cooling bowl overnight and pop in your prepared ice cream mixture in the morning. In less than 30 minutes you can enjoy homemade ice cream. You can take the included mixing spoon and eat your ice cream right from the cooling bowl. It has a one-touch button starts the appliance with no effort necessary so you don't ever have to monitor your ice cream. At number 5 we have Cuisinart Ice Cream Maker. This fully automatic small appliance makes frozen yogurt, sorbet and homemade ice cream in as little as 25 minutes. The frozen dessert maker features a heavy-duty motor and a double insulated freezer bowl that holds up to 2 quarts of frozen dessert at a time. You can simply add ingredients, turn the machine on and frozen drinks and desserts are ready in minutes. Its large ingredient spout allows for easily adding favorite mix-ins. At number 4 we have Hamilton Beach Ice Cream Maker. It comes with Hamilton Beach Ice Cream Makers. You can enjoy creating homemade ice cream, frozen yogurt, sherbet and gelato in your own kitchen. You can just add your favorite ingredients, sit back and relax. You'll be scooping delicious ice-cold desserts in no time. This smart design touches make Hamilton Beach ice cream machines easy to use even if you're a beginner. It has perfect size for families and special occasions. At number 3 we have Americana Ice Cream Maker. The Mr. Freeze Automatic Ice Cream Maker comes with a convenient freezable bowl that allows you to quickly make ice cream directly in the unit. It features a 1.5 quart quick freeze bowl and a powerful motorized paddle. So making ice cream is fast, convenient and fun for the whole family. You can easily turn on the unit to churn your ice cream recipe with a simple control panel. The motor turns the paddle that whips air into the ingredients, producing a smooth, rich, soft serve ice cream. The paddle quickly crushes cookies, fruit, chocolate chips or a variety of other yummy toppings and thoroughly integrates them into the mixture. At number 2 we have Elite Ice Cream Maker. The Elite Gourmet 4-quarts old-fashioned electric ice cream maker churns out delicious homemade ice cream in less than 40 minutes. It features a 4-quart heavy-duty aluminum canister and a powerful 90 revolution per minute motor. So making ice cream is fast, convenient and fun for the whole family. It's great for entertaining at family parties, barbecue and picnics using all of your favorite ice cream. He motor turns a 6-fin paddle that whips air into the ingredients, producing a smooth, rich, soft serve ice cream. The old-fashioned galvanized metal bucket holds ice and rock salt. That's keeping the canister at the optimal 10 degrees Fahrenheit temperature. At number 1 we have Tasty Ice Cream Maker. This ice cream is an all-American favorite and now you can make any flavor you can dream up, 1.5 quarts at a time. This ice cream maker is fully automatic. All you have to do is add your ingredients. You can think out of the carton that Big Phil spout begs for handfuls of crushed cookies or peppermint sticks, nuts, chocolate chips, whatever your taste buds desire. And if ice cream suddenly sounds too rich, go for the frozen yogurts. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best ice cream makers for your need.